going to show you how to make this face mask. First, if you are making this mask as an adult size mask, make sure that you cut out the cloth by 6 by 9 inch cloth. If you're making a kid's size mask, make sure you cut it by 5 1/4 and 7 inches. Cut your elastic bands roughly about 7 inches. Not both of your bands on the very corner of the bands, like this. Do it on both sides and place them on the cloth. Make sure that the knots are poking out and the knots are nearly about 1 inch from the edge on the sides. Place your other cloth on top of it with the side you want to be shown facing the bands. Use your clips to clip the bands with the cloth, like this. Do it onto each knot. We are going to sew. Make sure you leave 2 inches open on the top so you can flip it over afterwards. I am going to be using a blue thread so you can see where I am going to be sewing. Make sure the pressure foot is lined up against the edge. And start sewing. Stop sewing about a 1/4 inch from the edge. Make sure your needle is down before lifting it up. So turn around, and when you turn around, make sure you take off the clip. Okay. You lift it up and make sure when you place it down, before you place it down, that you take off your clip. Place it down and hold the knot so you won't mess up. Lift it up and go back and sew over it again. And then come back. Make sure that the pressure foot is lined up against the edge. And right about here, take your second clip off. And do the same as the top. Hold the knot so you won't mess up. And then go back. And also down here, leave about 1/4 of an inch open. On this line, you can sew all the way to about 1/4 of an inch from the edge. If it go too far, go back to about 1/4 inch from the edge. Turn it around before you take off, before you release, before you drop the foot down. Make sure you take your clip, drop it, and sew over it. Make sure that the needle's down and go back. Sew over it again. And go down. Just about here. Take off your clip. Hold the knot and sew over it. Do the same. Go back, sew right back over it, and come back. Leave about 1/4 of an inch. And leave about 2 inches open so you can flip it over. So right about here. Lift it up, also your needle, and then cut your thread. It's about 2 inches open. If it's like 1 inch, fix it. Now, use your pair of scissors and cut the corners without cutting the thread, like this. Cut it on all 4 corners, and be careful not to cut the thread. When you're done with that, cutting all the 4 corners, through the place you didn't sew, flip your cloth over like this. And now you can see that the thing you wanted outside is now showing. Okay. Through the place you didn't sew, use your pencil or pen to straighten out the corners, like this. Do that on all the other corners, so they are a right angle. Now bring your mask to the ironing board. Make sure to iron the mask, but not to touch the elastic bands. We want to make our mask like this. So, fold your mask like this and use your clips to clip the two layers together. Now do it again on the bottom like this. We are going to sew against the edges all the way around, but this time we're going to do it 2 times. Okay. So put it in your sewing machine. Put it down. And sew. Make sure you stop about 1/4 of an inch. Make your needles down, lift it up, and take off the clips on both of them. Hold them, put it down, and start sewing it. Make sure it's about 1/4 on the bottom, sew all the way. Lift it up, push it down, and hold these very carefully. And if it's hard for you, you can go a little bit more slower. And go all the way again. And there you have your very own mask.